Marhaban, welcome. Arabic is written from right to left. Does this make a difference? And do you believe that Arabic writing is much easier than it looks? Do you want to know more? Keep watching. I am Abdurrahman and you are watching Arabic. In this lesson we will learn some new letters which will be put into context through words and illustrating pictures. Also we will learn Arabic writing, how to write the letters, which is from right to left. And how does this make a difference? Don't worry, we will explain all. Let's go. Do you remember the banana monster? A banana in Arabic is موز. موز. We have a new letter here. It's ma. Ma. And its shape alone is like that. The two other letters are wa and za, which we've learned in the first lesson. If this is the first video you watch, please refer the first lesson and follow the lessons in order. The first lesson will appear here or there in the description box. Now, do you remember this guy? He taught us in the first lesson that the Arabic letters connect from right or left or both, except 6 letters. Guess what? This new letter can connect from either right, left, or both. When it comes alone, it will take another shape. So, overall, we have 4 forms of writing. But do you agree with me that simplifying them to 2 forms is a good idea? I think so. But in this case, we will not be the first inventor. When typewriter was invented, the designers had a space dilemma. They should put all types of letters and marks in a restricted area. So what was their solution? They considered most of Arabic letters as 1 or 2 shapes instead of 3 or 4. For now, we will consider this technique with no observable lag in our writing skills. But this will be only for a few lessons, and gradually we will become more familiar with 4 different shapes of writing. Later on, we will enjoy the calligraphy paintings. It's really fascinating. If you want to see more, please leave a comment. Back to our letter ma. According to the typewriter technique, our letter is written in 2 ways, depending on where its place is in the word. If it is the first letter of the word, it will be like this, while in the middle of the word, it won't significantly change. Check the right side and the left side. In the right side, whole words. In the left, we divided the words to show you the case of the letter ma. The identicality is obvious, correct? When it is the last letter, it will be like that. We have here 2 words, noum and nam. The letter ma in both is in the last location, right? But in the word noum, it is separate, while in nam, connected. It's connected from right. And easily we can note the identicality here. So overall we have only 2 cases of the letter ma, and this can be applied on most of the letters. We will see this in our next letter. But first, do you want to see how we write the letter? Let's go. Ma. 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 Now, what is that ball hiding inside? Is that a letter? Oh, yes. Please meet the letter na. Na. It looks like it's ball, right? It is the first letter of light in Arabic. Noor. Noor. Now, how can we write the letter na? As we did with ma, we will do with na. Na. It has, of course, 4 writing cases, but they can be minimized to 2, like what we've done with ma. The 2 cases are like this: the first letter and the last letter. Let's take a look at some words contain the letter na. This is minna, and that's noor, which we've seen earlier. The letter na in both words are similar, right? Another example is here. Run, min. The letter na in both words is in the last place and has the same shape, so it is not a matter if it is connected or separate. Now, do you want to see how we can write the letter na? Let's go. Na. Na. Let's go now to reading. As we saw in writing section, these are ma and na. Ma, na. For deeper learning, we need a quick reading quiz. Listen to the sound and choose the corresponding letter. Ma, ma, ma. Na, na, na. For deeper review, what about extended quiz? We will see here our new 2 letters with the 4 letters which we've learned in the first lesson. Is it a good idea? I think so. Why? Because we'll make a quiz and a comprehensive review in the same time. First, you will hear the sound of each letter. Try to shadow the sound. Z, Z. Wa, wa. Ra, ra. Ma, ma. And finally, na, na. Great. And now it's your turn. Listen carefully and choose the corresponding letter. Ma, ma. Za, za. Na, na. Ra, ra. And of course, wa, wa. If you found this video useful, please like and share it with your friends so they can watch. Subscribe and tap the bell to get notified of any new videos. With your support, we continue. That's it for today. Thank you for watching the video to the end. See you in the next lesson.